Hold on, sweet.
There's one more egg.
Has it gone out?
Yeah.
Come out.
Yeah.
Okay, look up. Can you stand nearer to the hive?
Stand next to the hive and I'll take some more videos, Seb.
Oh no. There's no more air in it.
So now all this.
Dad, look at that. Look at that.
Well done, darling.
That is amazing, isn't it?
What's that, sweet?
Look. Look at that big spider.
They're good as trophies.
Look at that. Look at that.
How have you found a spider amongst all these bees?
I don't know.
They make their home in there as well. No, I like this.
That up. We need to light that up.
See, I've got a good supply of rotten wood in the swamp here.
Oh. Ah. You need a lot of that in
I do.
so it doesn't come out. That's good.
Hat on.
Do you puff that directly in then, Sal?
Only if they start to get sort of fractious, I try not to, because these are not like African bees. They're quite sort of, and you know, I try not to disturb them too much. You know, because
Yeah.
the thing is, they're eating honey.
Yeah.
You don't really want them to eat the honey, especially if we want it.
We want
And
honey.
especially well, we do, but you know, I
We
feel a
want
bit.
honey.
Seb, don't put that right next to your face, because if one lands on your nose, it'll go through the net. It'll sting you through the net. So you have to, that's it, that's how you have to keep it. Just keep it away from the front of your face.
Now, see if we can feel this.
Dad, feel that. That's.
This is
There's more. There's more.
now. Look at this. This is really
Heavy.
How they under and they
Mine out, Seb.
dead?
Mine out, mate.
How
This.
don't they get dead?
on here. You put it at an angle, then there's the points where it meets, and not many, so they're not going to squash any bees with hope.
When do you have to puff it up?
How would they start to get worried? Now this here is, see this grid thing, it's called the queen excluder.
Mhm.
I mean, the mum is bigger than
Yeah.
the others.
So where is
she
she
can't
then?
get through. She's down here.
Is it
And
obvious
she
where
can't-
she is?
No, because it's really hard to spot her in amongst
Right.
50,000 bees. But what I'm going to do is take a frame out just to see if there's any eggs, and that's
Okay.
how you know she's there.
Yeah.
I would stand.
This side.
Yeah.
Oh.
Eggs.
You're
She
taking all-
lays in the summer. She lays about 1,500 eggs a day.
Does she really?
Yeah. See, there's this propolis. That's
Yeah.
sticky. The Japanese sell the tincture for £100
How
a little
can you
bottle.
put that
That's
back on?
it's easy. I mean, there's not much of it compared
So
to
what do you
honey.
do with all this honey, Sal?
Well, this I'm leaving it for them for the winter.
Oh,
They
yeah.
need about 50 pounds of honey to storage,
Yeah.
and you know, that's why they live through the winter. So they've got the
They
honey.
look bigger.
There's some honey.
They look
Taste some of
bigger.
that.
Where's
And they're
the
all eating
mum?
the honey.
Nice.
That's all honey.
Where's the mum then?
Well, I don't try and find her usually. But what I do want to do is find out if there's any.
What is that?
That's honey.
Honey. Look.
It looks as.
Wow.
They've got a load of supplies. I could probably take a couple of frames out.
All right.
What I'm trying to do is see if there's any